Today we are going to talk about another swallow alternative. This time you need coconut flour and psyllium husk. This organic coconut flour and the psyllium husk can be obtained from Jumia, Gigi, or any reputable stores. Coconut flour is a gluten-free flour made solely from coconuts. It is high in fiber and is a good source of protein. Adding it to your food may promote stable blood sugar, good digestion, and heart health. It may also support a healthy body weight when consumed as a part of a nutritious, balanced diet. The soluble fiber found in psyllium husk can help lower cholesterol. Psyllium can help relieve both constipation and diarrhea, and is used to treat irritable bowel syndrome, hemorrhoids, and other intestinal problems. Psyllium husk also has been used to help regulate blood sugar in people with diabetes. So because I'm the only one eating this, I put just a cup of water and bring it to the boil. Then I added 2 to 3 spoonfuls of coconut flour. Please subscribe to this channel so that you will be the first to know anytime a new video is out. Mix well for about a minute and then add a teaspoonful of psyllium husk. Then mix thoroughly until you have a smooth dough. Okay, that's it. Our Poundo Yam for diabetes is ready. I like to take this with vegetable soup. So please join me and let us enjoy this together. OMG. Oh, I love this. Really, really, really good. I promise to give you swallow alternatives. For this swallow, I will give this 95% pass for pounded yam, 90% pass for fufu, and 85% pass for semo swallow. You really need to try this. Eat better food. Reverse your diabetes naturally. Reverse your diabetes. Diabetes is reversible. Look out for more in my upcoming videos. God bless you.